If you remember from last weekend, we're making a shaper boring bar holder. So here we go. We're going to go from there on out to the end. Let's see what our measurements are. Well, we're not quite 3 inches. And I definitely want to be 3 inches. So let's take it back a little bit and come out right out on the end and grab it. How does that look? Still not 3. Well, 3 is from here. Right. Okay, so that can be our inside. All right, I like it. Well, you saw that, didn't you? I didn't tighten the chuck. That's easily remedied, but not while it's running. Okay, so we're going to go back to there. We're going to tighten that chuck. All right, let's take our measurement. We're sitting at 179, and this hotter than a pistol. Let's let it cool down a bit. Well, we can take a measurement. It's not going to be the final one anyhow. So we're at 215. So that's 35. All right, at this point, I think I want to change bits. Going to come in with a high-speed bit just to get a nice surface. Good surface, but wasn't able to travel all the way in. So let's back up a little bit. Youch, it is hot. That's better. Now, let's come back in a little bit. See if we can reach that.
I'm thinking, yeah, it should be no problem. And you saw that it was skipping out here, but out here we're going to do a bit of a taper, so it's not going to be an issue. And then it squared itself up in there, which is where we want it to be fairly accurate. So we're sitting at okay, so we got our whole board here, or drilled. Now we need to bore it. So we come back in with a boring head, and we'll be back. All right, good and solid, nice tight fit, nice tight slip fit. I think we're set to go. All right, so next we come in and do some threading. Well, first we turn down and to the thread size, but at first I think we need to go find ourselves a nut. And we'll be okay. Right well, back. I think we found ourselves a nut, which is was highly unlikely, but hey, we got it. So we're gonna turn this down a bit anyhow, and then we can make the hole of the nut bigger, and it should fit just about right. So I think what we should do next is go ahead and turn this down, get our diameter that we want, and then figure out if the nut's going to work. Because it is a bit small, but I think once we turn the diameter down, we're going to be okay. Right, well, first, before we do anything, we need to put a taper on this inside edge right here. And hopefully we can find a bit to do that. And luck would have it, I can only come up with 45-degree tapers, so we're going to have to single point this. This is going to be easy. Pretty much all we need is just a little bit of a lip there at the right angle, mostly to keep from digging into my center. All right, let's take this.